Hi everybody, welcome to Walker's Guide and welcome to another one of the tree search. This is a short series that I'm doing looking for every single species of tree native to England. And today, while I'm in Stambourne, we've just seen a beautiful sparrowhawk and it pointed out this tree to me. This is one of our native trees. It's also a beautiful example, possibly one of the best examples I've seen of this tree in many, many years. It is truly beautiful. This is probably about 100-ish years old, and it is our only native maple. Yes, this is the field maple. Let's have a look. So how do I know it's a maple? Well, its leaf is its primary giveaway. It's similar to a lot of other leaves, but different. Let's have a look. Again, this time I'm plucking one leaf. Here we go. So the leaf of the maple, of all maples pretty much, is a palmate leaf. It looks like a hand and is spiky, but the field maple is a smallish leaf. It's about 5 centimetres long, maybe, a couple of inches, and is about the same as it is wide. It's smooth, it's round, it's not an aggressively spiky big leaf like the sycamore, the American sycamore, which is our non-native maple, the most common non-native maple in this country. Then we got to look at the bark. Is a mature example, so its bark is grey, not like the oak, which is more of a brown, but a grey, and fissured, but not as deeply as an oak or an old ash. They are a really lovely looking bit of tree. And the final identification point with these is the seed. The seed, which looks like this. A helicopter style seed. 2 parts with a centre clipped together. So what use is the field maple? Well, aside from the obvious, being a lovely tree, there's not an awful lot. They have been used for musical instruments and for flooring because of the wood, but they're not a majorly important wood for human use. That doesn't mean they're not important. They feed a lot of insects, and sometimes you get a thing called honeydew on the leaves, which is fed on by certain insects, which is kind of important too. But they are just a beautiful, beautiful tree. And they're one of the identifiers of autumn. So come autumn, if you came and visited this tree in Stambourne, those leaves, that beautiful, beautiful canopy will go a bright, bright yellowy orange. One of the clearest displays. Now, we've already said it's called a field maple, but what's its scientific name? Acer campestre. Acer, maple. Campestre, well, that actually means field as well. So their scientific name is field maple, as is their common name. A beautiful tree in a beautiful situation, and one that you need to keep an eye out for. So that's Acer campestre, the field maple, and that's another one of the tree search. And I'll see you again here soon on the Walker's Guide. Bye!